Hi students, welcome for Narayana live classes. Again this is Sridhar Babu, physics teacher Narayana schools. Okay, let us start today's assignment. The first question, what is rolling friction? What is rolling friction? My dear students, so we know different types of frictions: static friction, dynamic friction, sliding friction, rolling friction. Out of all different types of friction, they are asking for us what is rolling friction. So when a body rolls over the surface of another body, then the friction which exists between those two bodies is said to be rolling friction. Thank you. Question number 2, what they are asking for us, what is the principle of ball bearings? Just try to recall students, where we use ball bearings generally, in cycles, in bikes, in cars, in automobiles, in machinery parts, and remaining all other places we are using ball bearings generally. So what is the principle of ball bearings here? To reduce the friction between the shafts in machinery parts. That is only principle of ball bearings. To reduce the friction between the shafts of the machinery parts or between any two parts. That is nothing but principle of ball bearings. And question 3. Students, can we reduce friction into zero? Explain. Students, friction can be reduced by using polished surfaces and smooth surfaces, and by using different types of lubricants and oils and jelly-like materials remaining all other. So friction will be reduced. And in atomic level also, friction is exist between any two surfaces. But it is not possible to reduce the friction into zero level. It is possible to reduce the friction into micro level by using this type of materials, lubricants and oils and jelly-like materials. It is not possible to reduce the friction is zero. And question 4, my dear students. What is the use of providing wheels to luggage trolleys? So we are using luggage suitcase or luggage trolleys in railway stations and in airports and in so many other places. What is the use of providing wheels for those luggage suitcases and luggage trolleys? Luggage trolleys provided the wheels to reduce the friction between the wheels and this given surface. So these wheels can make the rolling the luggage tracks, luggage trolleys. So rolling friction is far less than the static friction we know. So that is negligible. So our luggage suitcases and luggage trolleys will move freely. So that's why we are using we are providing the wheels for luggage trolleys and luggage suitcases. And followed by question 5. Here students, what purpose are served by bearings in machines? Explain with the daily life situations. Generally we are using ball bearings in case of the shafts of the machinery parts. So when machinery parts are touches each other, heat energy will be delivered. So that heat energy too dangerous for machinery parts. Due to that heat energy, machinery parts are wear and tear, and that is loss for us. And we should provide bearings. So bearings restrict the friction between the shafts of the machinery parts and in automobiles and wherever it is. And these bearings are also which is helpful for smooth movements of the machinery parts and automobile parts. So for this purpose, we are using ball bearings in so many cases to reduce the friction, to reduce the production of heat energy, for controlling the wear and tear of the machinery parts. So in our daily life we are using bearings in cycles, bikes, and in washing machines, and in kitchen blenders, and gym equipments, what we are using, gym equipments in so many other places. Okay, thank you for listening, students. Thank you very much.